Welcome, in front of me is a SONY Xperia C5 Ultra, and today I'll show you how to enable and set up the Do Not Disturb mode. And to get started, pull down your notification panel and look for the toggle, which for me is right over here. And once you find it, you can tap on it to immediately enable it. Once you choose a couple different options. So we have total silence, alarm only, or priority only. Priority only will allow you to actually customize who can call you and message you, while the two other ones are basically predetermined, basically the way the name would suggest. And then we also have the two options. So we can select a no timer limit, which means that once you select this and you turn it on, it will turn on Do Not Disturb mode, and you will have to eventually turn it off yourself, while the one below allows you to set it up to work for a specific amount of hours that you can choose. So anyway, you can tap on done and this will enable it. Now going to the settings of it so we can actually customize it. Let's open up settings and find whatever it is. I'm gonna search for it, I have no clue where it is. So it's in sounds and notifications, and you can have it, find it right here. Then we have priority only allows, which will, like I said, allow you to change a couple of settings, so who can message you, who can call you, and then with additional option for calling people. So as an example, if you select that no one can call you, you can enable this, and if someone does call you twice within a 15-minute period, the second time around they will be able to reach you without any kind of problem, completely bypassing this. Now we also have a couple toggles for reminders and events, so if you want those during Do Not Disturb mode, keep them on. If you don't want them, disable it. And that's basically all the settings that we have here. So yeah, so that is how you can set it up and enable the Do Not Disturb mode. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.